this family, we celebrate Christmas dos veces. Sua puta. Navidad, bozic. We celebrate one Christmas on December 24th and 25th, and also in January on the 7th. In Argentina, we celebrate Christmas in summer, and in Bosnia in winter. In Argentina, we set up the tree on December 8th. It's the Virgin's Day. We put all the gifts under the tree. Where we live now, I think you can put up the tree whenever you feel like it. And if I'm wrong, please let me know. In Argentina, we usually have asado, but we also have traditional Christmas food like lengua a la vinagreta, pionono, vitel toné, ensalada rusa. Oh, we have that too. And when we celebrate in January, we usually have sopa, sarma, lamb, pork, oso, rosca salata, and there's something very special called chesnitza. If you want to know what it is, go to our YouTube video. We usually open our gifts on Christmas Eve at midnight. And on the other hand, we also have Sveti Nikola. Could be on December 6th, but for us, it's on December 19th. When the kids get to open their Christmas stocking full of candy and all these kolachas. Something very particular that we have in the Serbian Orthodox Christmas that we don't have back in Argentina is that on the 6th of January, so let's say Christmas Eve, very early in the morning, people, but usually men, go out in the woods and they get a branch of an oak tree. Usually this is accompanied by a lot of rakia in the early morning. The families bring it into the house, but then when it's like the big celebration out in the streets, they burn the badniak. I feel like I left out so many things. Help me out, and I think I need a longer YouTube video about this. Let me know.